Hi, I'm Steve.
And I'm Heather.
And you're watching Ram Beast Projects, and we're on a couple's vacation. What?
At the beach!
We make the streams louder.
Lessons learned from the past. I removed my OSV permit. See, it's all nice and clean right there. Before we arrived to Assateague.
Yeah.
So we got to get a new permit for 2018. And we're actually going to get a nighttime permit as well, so we can stay out past midnight.
We stepping our game up.
Yeah.
Stepping it up.
I know you guys are waiting and anxious to hear who won the Headlight Revolution giveaway. So we're working on that. It's gonna happen in this video, so stay tuned. Watch the whole video. You gotta watch us enjoy our couple's vacation. Who dates their spouses? Comment below. Do you date your spouse? I do. It's very important. What do you think?
I'm so important.
So important.
So important.
Yeah, it keeps our sanity, you know? It's good to get away every now and again without kids.
You cannot
really
pour from an empty cup. You cannot pour from an empty cup.
What does that mean?
What does that mean? That means that we have to take care of ourselves and our own sanity and our own mental health. And when we are at our best, then we can take care of our children the best.
Amen! I'm gonna go in and get my permit, guys. Gotta make sure it's nice and straight. It's a straight head. We're all growing up. We got overnight passes this time. Right, Head?
That's right.
Big, big overnight pass. Look at that. That is so good.
Very nice.
Why can't I put decals on like this? You know?
For real though.
It's because it's Assateague. Man, if you guys haven't been out to Assateague and you have a 4x4, there's something wrong with you. You guys definitely need to come out here. It is awesome. All right, let's go deflate and hit the sand. Yes. We are pulling up to the OSV. Getting caught with a girl in the backseat of a car. Running out on the field for the. All right, babe, break out those marriage savers.
Oh yeah.
If you guys have been following us from the start, you know what these things are. JT Brooks auto deflators, and we have the pros.
Yeah, buddy.
Got the marriage savers doing their thing. If you guys ever want some inside information on what we're doing next or where we're going, you got to check out our Instagram, Ram Beast Projects, and Facebook page, Ram Beast Projects. I'm always putting stuff in our story feed that we put out ahead of time. So you guys got to check those pages out. They're always in the description. Always check out the descriptions. Always important stuff in there like discount codes. I don't make a dime off the discount codes. Not a dime. I just tell the companies, I said, hook my subscribers up. I want you guys to be hooked up so you guys can get to experience what I've experienced with these different products. So definitely check all those guys out. Show them some love. Check them out. I'm not making any money. The only money that I make is off the ad revenue. So watch all the commercials. You want to support me? Please watch all the commercials so I can do more mods to the Beast. And I do have a few Amazon links occasionally at the bottom of the video description. If you click on any of those links, I may make a penny or two. So if you see those links, it's sometimes the parts discussed or installed. If I did the installation, I do make a little bit of a commission off that as well. But like I said, it's pennies. Pennies. I'm not making a lot of money by any means. That's why I have to work my full-time job. I would love to quit, but I can't. Struggle is real, trying to air down from 50 to 20. That's what I air down to. When I'm on the sand, we air down to 20 PSI. A lot of you guys have been asking how the Nitto Ridge Grappler has been handling. So far, so good. I really love these tires. I mean, they handle well in the creek, they handled well in the mountains, and they definitely handle well on the beach. So I definitely would say a win-win with Nitto's hybrid Ridge Grappler tires. Definitely, probably gonna get them again in the future. I'm very impressed with the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. So you guys have been asking. There you have it. Ram Beast Projects official. Wife's out there kicking it, doing Instagram stories for her Instagram page. I don't want to interrupt her, but there she is in the mirror. Oh. Here she comes. Oh, there she goes. She thinks she's gonna make the air come out faster, but it doesn't really come out any faster. You trying to make the air come out faster?
What?
You trying to make the air come out faster?
Maybe.
We're hitting the sand. It's going down.
Number 37. Number 36.
I'm gonna hand you over to the wife. There you go. What a view, guys. What? If you have a 4x4 and you're not coming down here to hit the sand, something wrong with you. Seriously.
Or stay away, actually.
Stay away, yeah.
Stay away.
This is our secret.
Nothing to see here, people.
Kite surfing out there. Heddy, why is it closed?
Because those birds haven't learned how to fly yet.
We respect nature.
I mean, I do too, but I want them birds to fly.
We have resorted to the GoPro because the vlogging camera, the Panasonic G7, has the mic's taking a poop. You may have noticed some static in other videos, so I'm gonna have to get a new vlogging camera while that's out. But this is gonna be our second attempt to do a campfire and actually eat something from it.
Yes. We had some success in Slate Run, so we'll see, you know, hopefully no bears show up, that's all.
Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be any bears out here, but you never know. There are wild ponies out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a few visitors earlier, but yep, on the GoPro. Wish us luck, guys. Wish us luck. I'm thinking we should have got some more logs.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. That's all the logs. I think we should have got some more.
Oh, we'll know for next time.
But we have fire though, guys. We have fire. Of course, the ISO on the GoPro sucks, but we do have a little bit of a fire still going. The struggle is real. The wife's, I don't even know if you can see the hot dog. She's trying to cook some hot dogs. Nope, it's all black. Yeah. We have a fire, guys. And we originally had it set up in a teepee form, but the wood was not burning. But thanks to our awesome neighbors over there, who, by the way,
thank you, Chester.
Yep, Chester hooked us up. Who, by the way, have 3 rams. Woo-hoo. They hooked us up with some extra dry logs and some lighter fluid because we were all out. Check it out. What do you think about that?
I loves it. My hot dog was actually hot. Thanks, Chester.
Well, the fire's almost out. And our lights underneath the tailgate, I got my balls busted about those things, but those things are pretty clutch. I mean, the tailgate's down now. As soon as we put it up, you'll see a big difference. There you go. Check it out. We're on a mad hunt to find ghost crabs.
Let's do it.
I almost stepped on like 3 of them walking out to the water in the dark. There's one right there. There he is. Woo! Didn't take long to find one.
Oh,
what
the hell is that?
It's a grasshopper.
Oh.
That's a ghost crab. Another one down. All right, guys, we're back from Ocean City, Maryland, Assateague Island, and we are beat. We truly lived the lyrics of Luke Bryan's song, Sunrise, Sunburn, Sunset, Repeat. Well, we did that. And the first day on the beach, the wife accidentally packed all the sunscreen in our daughter's bag when she was going over to Heather's parents' house. So we had no sunscreen, and we weren't about to drive 45 minutes off the island to go get some sunscreen. So yeah, we got a little bit sunburned. We got sun-kissed, but we made the best of it. We got sunscreen and an umbrella for the next day. I got a vacuum. Got a little bit of sand still in the bed of the truck. Back's not bad. Not bad at all. No kids this time. That's probably why. Front's a little sandy. We're just gonna get that sand out of there. I don't even think I'm gonna wash this. I watched it once when we were down there. I'm sorry for the lack of footage while we were on the beach. This camera, which hopefully this isn't staticky right now, something's wrong with the mic jack, so I'm gonna have to, I bought this at Best Buy, so I'm gonna send it back. So I got that extended warranty protection plan, I don't know what it is, but I got that. But they actually have to send it in for repair. And the DJI Mavic Pro stopped working after our mountain trip. I tried to get some last minute drone footage of the cabin where we stayed in Pine Creek, but the gimbal would not set during the startup phase. Basically, it kept saying that the motors were in overload and it was slapping itself up and down. So yeah, that got sent back to DJI for repairs. Hopefully that isn't going to cost me much. I haven't even had the damn thing a year, so hopefully it's covered. Hopefully it's covered. But I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing me ramble on and on and on. You want to see who won the Headlight Revolution upgrade package. We're gonna do that now. We're gonna pick a winner, guys.
Hey.
Her lips are a little sunburned. I'll move this over here. So we're gonna go to our TubeBuddy application here, and we're on, as you can see, we're on the picking a winner video. And we're gonna go down to pick a winner. Yep, we wanna pick a winner from this video. That's what we wanna do. Are you freaking kidding me? I happen to know who this person is. Let's see if he actually followed all the rules.
That's so fun. I'm just laughing because of his text that he said, or he said, what did he say in his message to you?
He's always busting my balls. I know this guy for a long time, but let's see if he actually subscribed to Headlight Revolution on Instagram and Ramby's Projects.
Hacker.
Let's see. J-I-M.
He might be, his Instagram might be something else.
He has it right here.
Gotcha.
But I don't think he's following us. Nope. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh yeah, he is following us. Okay, let's see if he's following Headlight Revolution.
It's so funny.
I almost. Yep, he's following both.
Man.
All right, Jim, I'm gonna be sending you a message for your vehicle details now that you got your vehicle back, because this vehicle was just stolen not too long ago and located in the town where I work at. So we actually found the vehicle. It's crazy. Of all people, Jim Acker wins. That's nuts. Someone local wins. I mean, you can see we did it fairly, randomly. He did everything he was supposed to do. So he's gonna get the Headlight Revolution lighting upgrade. Congrats, Jim.
That's awesome.
You won. I can't believe out of all the people, you won. And you're being recorded right now, if that's okay.
Nah, that's fine. No,
it's crazy, dude. All the people.
They pay to watch your videos all the time, man.
Yep. Yeah, you need to put that out there. So what do you want a lighting upgrade for? Now that you got your Explorer back, are you getting another vehicle, or you want it for your Explorer?
I'm probably do the Explorer because I'm going to keep it at least for another year. Figures I just have to put new fog lights in. I just finished putting them in.
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right. Well, send me your year, make, and model. Text it to me, and I'll get in touch with Headlight Revolution, and we'll get something sent out to you. And your home address.
All right. Cool, man.
All right, man. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Thanks for watching the videos.
All right, brother.
All right, see you, buddy. It won't be the last giveaway, because when we hit 10K, we're going to think of something else. Again, thank you guys so much for the support. Thanks for watching all the videos. We greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know we had a lot of technical difficulties with our equipment this video, and this might be staticky as well. Hopefully it's not too bad. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Smash it. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.